Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Today OnePlus is launching its new OnePlus 6T smartphone, and guess what's in this box? Yes, you guessed correctly, of course. In here is a big press sample box of the new OnePlus 6T, and we're gonna have a quick look. A couple of weeks ago I've already able to check out the new 6T device, but this is of course here better. I don't have now some normal prices here. There are rumors that is 580 euros for the basic model, which this year comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. So no more 64 gigabyte version. So let's open up the box and we get of course the device, protective cases and bumpers, which is always nice. Type-C bullets. Why Type-C? Because there won't be a normal headphone jack on the 6T anymore. This is the 6er. So we get cleaning cloth, reviewer's guide, box, slide box. Oh, we get a phone stand so that someone can take nice pictures of the device. Unlock the speed. This is, I guess, the reviewer's guide. There will only be two colors for the start, and I'm pretty sure we will see a red edition later this year or in the next couple of months. So we only get, again, mirror black and this matte black finish. We get an in-display fingerprint scanner, and that's it. Oh, and we get this drop notch and a new bigger battery for that. So this is the device. Let's check out what we get. We get midnight black 128 gigabytes. Then this is the cloth, this is the stand. The whole thing is a box to make some pictures, of course. So these are the cases. Oh, 1, 2, 3 cases, and the bullets. Yes, the bullets headphones, which cost exactly the same as last year's or this year's normal headphone jack versions. We get a red silicone case, check. We get, now please be a sandstone version. Yes, there's a sandstone cover. Nice, and this should be again nylon, which was the best-selling device, I guess, for the most asked for case with the normal 6 version of the OnePlus device this year. So community edition, we get this marble case, let's say it. Only 6 at the front. On the side also a red T or a white T with a red black background. Let's open up the box. And there we go. We get a word from Pete, OnePlus CEO, of course. There we go. Friend, to be from a long journey, thanks you. Oh, this is nice. Nice. 5 years old and 1 million stories told. Oh, nice. So this is that. Invitation letter. Then we get the device itself. With, of course, directly we see the in-display fingerprint scanner. Okay, let's remove this and grab that. Peel the other pieces of paper up, and there we go. So still dual SIM, no micro SD card, and if we compare it, oh, let me turn it on so that we can see the notch. Okay, it's vibrating. So first check out the back side. I get here the 6. This is this new 6T. So you can see no more fingerprint scan on the back side. Camera models look exactly the same. 1.7 aperture, and this with OIS on the main camera, and of course still the electronic image stabilization as well. On top we get a microphone. Down here, no headphone jack, speaker, and the USB Type-C port. No stereo speakers. The speaker on top here, above the drop, above this tiny notch, is on top near the frame. There is our speaker located. We got the microphone, we got still our mute switch or a magic switch with the 3 positions. On-off button, which I can reach easily. And on the other side we get the volume buttons, which I can also reach easily with one hand. So this is, again, operating the buttons of a OnePlus device is really, really nice. SIM card slot is up here, antenna stripe, and that's it. So, and as you can see, the big difference and is the notch, or the way the notch looks. And we get a bigger screen on the new 6T. Both screens AMOLED. And this is 6.41 inch diameter here on the new device. But now let's check out what else is in the box. Of course, we get our cable, so not dash charging. OnePlus isn't it's calling its fast charging technology dash anymore. I guess there's some problems with the name. We get our normal USB charger here with 5 volt 4 ampere, so a 20 watt charger, which should be sufficient to charge the 3700 milliampere hours battery in here with these, and no wireless charging. But we still get USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter within the box. So that's that. What else do we get? And there should be something else in the box. Yes, we get a clear case with the device. Remember, these cases are only for the press people, or in this big press box. Then we get, I guess, a quick starter guide and a SIM card tray tool and maybe some stickers. Let's figure this one out. Oh, this is new. We get a new quick starter guide here, which shows us unlocks the speed. Where is what located, how do I insert anything, where's the fingerprint sensor, and so on. We get our SIM card tray tool, we get the warranty guide, and we get some stickers. Warning, I'm a flagship killer. Warning. Okay, this is something we'll figure out later. So, this is it. This is the brand new OnePlus 6T. And again, I'm still guessing about the price. So my tip here is 579 euros for the 128 GB, 6 GB RAM version. But I don't know yet. The live stream is still running at the moment. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.